Hello everybody. So in last lecture we have focused our energies to understand the advanced concept that is present inside the Tableau desktop that basically brings life into your visuals, I will say. So we discuss about how to utilize the filters and parameters over there. So we are going to see important concept that is associated, another feature that is provided by the Tableau desktop is the calculated fields, right? So what is meaning of the calculated fields is these are your own custom expressions, right? So whatever data set you are going to get over there, so all the columns present into that particular data set is not going to fulfill your all requirements of the exploration that you are going to carry out over there, right? So in certain scenarios you may be requiring to do the simple transformation, right? So date of birth is given to you and may but for your analysis, right, you are not interested in the individual's date of birth, but more likely you are interested into the age of that person over there. Okay, so in that case, how I can do that particular conversion over there? Maybe another scenario is there, right? Whatever date has been given to me, the complete date is not useful to me. I need to extract out a part of that particular date, right? Maybe year, quarter, month, or something like that. So now, but my data set feature, whatever the date time related feature is there, right? Let's say order date is there and it's giving me everything that is present over there. But for my particular analysis, I need to break it down further and just need to extract a part of it, right? How I can go ahead and do all that thing. One of the things that we already have seen, right, maybe an intelligent key is provided to you, right? A lot of stuff is filled into that particular feature over there, and all those data values are separated by dash or some delimiter over there. And now from that particular intelligent key, I need to extract out a particular part over there. How I can go ahead and do that activity over there. So now basically what operation we are trying to do over there, right? We are deriving something out of the already existing field over there. Okay, so that's why these calculated fields are sometimes termed as the derived fields over there. And Tableau provides you not only creating the derived fields, right, from the existing field, you can create your own expressions over there, right? Maybe I want to find out some ratio over there, so maybe I can took the field 1 and compare it with the field 2 over there and can come up with the ratio over there. So let's go ahead and see that how with these different things we can do with the Tableau desktop interface over there. Okay, so now here if you see, right, you are seeing on the data side over there, you are seeing dimensions and the measures, those are present. Okay, so now this also provides a way by which we can create our calculated field. So I can go ahead and go here and just right click and I will get a menu that is create calculated field. So let's go ahead and create a calculated field. Okay, so now what has happened over there, right? Another pop-up window has come up in front of me and some default name has been taken for that one. So now, but I want to see that the sales to profit ratio over there. Okay, so whatever sales figures I have received over there, maybe in that one, right, I want to have a look at that particular ratio over there. So how I can go ahead and start doing that thing? The very straightforward way is that select the field and drag it into this particular expression editor. Okay, so it has dragged that field. And what is the second thing that I am interested in over there? So that is profit. Okay, so just take that thing, sales to profit, and let's rename this particular stuff over there. Okay, we will say sales to profit ratio and okay. Okay, so now here if you are seeing, right, a new calculated field has been arrived. So it is being showcased with a separate icon over there, that is equal to and the hash, because it's going to return a numeric output. So that particular symbol has come up over there, and the equal showcases us that, or it gives a visual hint to us that it is a calculated field. And now it is ready for the utilization over there. Okay, I can go ahead and use it here. What is the default aggregation that's coming? Sum is there, but maybe I'm not interested into that one, but I can go ahead and use something which will remove that grouping. Okay, so I select that particular stuff, I go to analysis and I don't want to use aggregate measures. Okay, so I just want to see that what is that ratio for each and every record that is appearing in my data set. Maybe I can go ahead and remove some of the stuff from here. Okay, so now here you are seeing different market segments are there, and that ratio for different market segments has been plotted over there. Okay, sales to profit ratio has been plotted for different markets over there. So that is one of the calculated fields that we can go ahead and we can create over there. Okay, so these calculated fields can be used, right, or there are two types of the calculated fields those are present, we can say. One are the regular calculated fields and another are the table calculations. So whatever we have created just now, right, it's kind of regular calculated field that we have created. So now how to go ahead and use that table calculations. Okay, we will get rid of our first thing. I have just dragged the cells over there, okay, and maybe I will apply. So I will say that use it as aggregate measure. So sum of cells has come up over there, and if I use this menu icon over there, right, and another pop-up comes up in there and it shows me that quick table calculations. Okay, so maybe if I want to calculate the running total, differences, percent of total or percentile, any relevant thing, right, so I don't need to bother about the formulas and all those stuff. These are the most commonly used calculations, so you can go ahead and directly make utilization of that particular stuff over there. Okay, so now here you have seen, right, how you will differentiate between the measure or the calculated field and the table calculation. So here you can see that next to sum of cells a triangular icon has been shown over there. Okay, so that indicates that this is a running it's a table calculation field basically. Okay, so you can go ahead and if you want to clear it, you can go ahead and clear it using that menu option again. And if you want to use any other stuff over there, maybe percentile or something, you can directly go ahead and make utilization of that particular calculated field. Okay, so these are the very pretty simple things that you can go ahead and do with the calculated fields. We will continue this discussion in the coming lectures, where we will see the what different kind of calculated fields you can create with the different data types, and some ways by which we can play with the data and the logical functions as well. But let's discuss that into the next lecture. Thank you.